I wish you a happy married life. I wish you a happy married life. Ndakwifurije urugo rwiza. I need you in my life. I need you in my life. Ndakwifuza mu buzima bwanje. I miss you. I miss you. Ndagukumbuye. I like your smile. I like your smile. Ndakunda ukuntu umwenyura. You make me happy. You make me happy. Uranezera. Am I proud of you? Am I proud of you? Ndakwishimira. Thank you for being my lover. Thank you for being my lover. Urakoze kumbera umukunzi. You deserve my heart. You deserve my heart. Ubereye umutima wanje. Will you marry me? Will you marry me? Uzokubakana nanje? My husband is tall and handsome. My husband is tall and handsome. Umugabo wanje ni muremure kandi mwiza. From today onwards, I will never tell a lie. From today onwards, I will never tell a lie. Guhera uno munsi sinzongera kubesha. From today onwards, I will never go there. From today onwards, I will never go there. Guhera uno munsi sinzongera kujayo. From today onwards, I will never disturb you. From today onwards, I will never disturb you. Guhera uno munsi sinzongera kukugora. From today onwards, I will never talk to you. From today onwards, I will never talk to you. Guhera uno munsi sinzongera kuvugana nawe. From today onwards, I will never sing. From today onwards, I will never sing. Guhera uno munsi sinzongera kuririmba. Are you done eating? Are you done eating? Wahejeje gufungura? Are you done speaking? Are you done speaking? Wahejeje kuvuga? Are you done bathing? Are you done bathing? Wahejeje koga? It's time for bed. It's time for bed. Amasaha yo kuryama arageze. She is a doctor. She is a doctor. Numuganga. It's raining outside. It's raining outside. Hanze imvura iriko iragwa. My wife cooks delicious meals. My wife cooks delicious meals. Umugore wanje ateka indya ziryoshe. You are a good student. You are a good student. Uri umunyeshure mwiza. What time is it? What time is it? Ni saa ngapi? Do you need anything? Do you need anything? Hari icyo ukeneye? I don't know telling a lie. I don't know telling a lie. Sinzi kubesha. I invited him to tea. I invited him to tea. Namutumiye dusangire icyayi. What do we call this in English? What do we call this in English? Iki cyitwa gute mu Cyongereza? I am not joking. I am not joking. Sindiko ndafyina. I hope so. I hope so. Ndabyizeye. I don't want to. I don't want to. Sinshaka. Which date falls on Sunday? Which date falls on Sunday? Which date falls on Sunday? Kwa Mungu hazoba ari itariki zingahe? I am very pleased to meet you. I am very pleased to meet you. Ndaryohewe kumenyana nawe. Do you want to join me? Do you want to join me? Ushaka kwiyunga nanje? Watch out. Watch out. Uragabe. I will talk to you soon. I will talk to you soon. Tuzongera kuvugana vuba. Don't move. Don't move. Ntuvahure. Don't do that. Don't do that. Ntubikore. We don't travel first class. We don't travel first class. Ntitwigera dufata urugendo twicare mu byicaro by'icyubahiro. Please be seated. Please be seated. Urashobora kubyagira. Let it be. Let it be. Mubire kuko. He looks nervous. He looks nervous. Aboneka nkaho ababaye. What's your problem? What's your problem? Ufise ingorane yihe? It's up to you. It's up to you. Birakuraba. Biragusha. Put your books in order. Put your books in order. Panga ibitabo byawe neza. Come what may. Come what may. Uko vyogenda kose. Come what may, I will not talk to you. Uko vyogenda kose sinzovugana nawe. I will catch you soon. I will catch you soon. Tuzosubira. I want to go home. I want to go home. Shaka gutaha. I like chocolate ice cream better than vanilla ice cream. I like chocolate ice cream better than vanilla ice cream. Nkunda ice cream ya shokora kuruta ice cream ya vanilla. I like milk. I like milk. Ndakunda mata. I live in New York City. I live in New York City. Mba mu muji mukuru wa New York. I work in a bank. I work in a bank. Nkora mu ibanki. I have a big house. I have a big house. Mfise inzu niniya. You are late again. You are late again. Urasubiriye gucererwa. I like apples a lot. I like apples a lot. Ndakunda pome cyane. The examination will start on Monday. The examination will start on Monday. Ibibazo bizotangura kuwa mbere. Thank you for inviting us. Thank you for inviting us. Wakoze kudutumira. Go down. Go down. Chabugufi. We both like each other. We both like each other. Turakundana twese. What's your phone number? What's your phone number? Umpa nimero yawe ya telefone. What do you want to do with it? What do you want to do with it? Ushaka kuyikoza iki? May God bless you. May God bless you. Imana iguhezagire. This is not fair. This is not fair. Ibyo bintu sivyo. I hate you. I hate you. Ndakwanga. Are you there? Are you there? Nihuri. What would you want to have? What would you want to have? Ukuzanira iki? I will have coffee. I will have coffee. Munzanire ikawa. Forget it. Forget it. Byihoze. It was nice to talk to you. It was nice to talk to you. Naryohewe kuvugana nawe. Can you please repeat it? Can you please repeat it? Urashobora kubisubiramwo? As soon as possible. As soon as possible. Vuba bwangu. You are gluttony. You are gluttony. Ufise inda ndende. When will you arrive? When will you arrive? Uzoshika ryari? What can I do for you? What can I do for you? Ndagukorera iki? What did you say? What did you say? Wavuze iki? How much is this? How much is this? Iyigugwa ngahe? Are you coming? Are you coming? Uriko uraza? How far are you? How far are you? Ugeze he? I hope you understand. I hope you understand. Nizere ko watahuye. Hold still. Hold still. Guma hamwe. Yes, by all means. Yes, by all means. Ego birarekuriwe. I am feeling tired today. I am feeling tired today. Numva ndushe uno munsi. Why are you upset? Why are you upset? Kubera ko ushavuye? Follow me. Follow me. Nkurikira. It's your turn. It is your turn. Niwe uramukiwe. I owe you $500. I owe you $500. Ndaguheraniye amadolari 500. Get out of my sight. Get out of my sight. Mva mu maso. Rest assured. Rest assured. Humura. What do you want from me? What do you want from me? Unshaka kwiki. Come with me. Come with me. Tujane. What are you talking about? What are you talking about? Uri kuvuga iki? Enjoy yourself. Enjoy yourself. Niwiryohere. Didn't you go to work yesterday? Didn't you go to work yesterday? Ejo ntiwagiye ku kazi? May you be successful. May you be successful. Uroranigwe. I will do my best. I will do my best. Nzokora uko nshoboye. Don't be ridiculous. Don't be ridiculous. Ntiwimaramaze. Where are you from? Where are you from? Uturukahe? I wish you well. I wish you well. Ndakwipfurije ibyiza. Are you kidding? Are you kidding? Uriko urafyina? Whatever he says is not true. Whatever he says is not true. Whatever he says is not true. Ibyo avuga byose si byo. Do you speak English? Do you speak English? Uravuga Icyongereza? Don't be so childish. Don't be so childish. Reka kwifata nk'umwana. That's so kind of you. That's so kind of you. Urakoze cyane gose. It's none of your business. It's none of your business. It's none of your business. Ntibikuraba. It's all yours. It's all yours. Vyose ni gwawe. I am at the office. I am at the office. Ndi mu biro. I have no money. I have no money. Nta mafaranga mfise. His words have weight. His words have weight. Amajambo yiwe arakomeye gose. Would you please speak slowly? Would you please speak slowly? Urashobora kuvuga buke buke. What are you doing? What are you doing? Uriko ukora iki? Call me any day. Call me any day. Uzompamagara umunsi wariwo wose. I want to be with you forever. I want to be with you forever. Shaka guhorana nawe ibihe byose. You are so sweet. Uraryoshe. You are so happy. Uranezerewe. We did it. We did it. Twabikoze neza. Let's have fun. Let's have fun. Reka turyoherwe. You are the best mom ever. You are the best mom ever. Uri mama mwiza ntari bwigere mbona. Let's get ready for bed. Let's get ready for bed. Twitegure tujye kuryama. We went to Kigali last year. We went to Kigali last year. Umwaka uheze twaragiye i Kigali. You look great today. You look great today. Usa neza uno munsi. My birthday is on May 15th. My birthday is on May 15th. Navutse itariki 15 z'ukwezi kwa gatanu. I love pizza. I love pizza. Ndakunda pizza. I wake up early in the morning. I wake up early in the morning. Mbyuka kare mu gitondo. My wife is taller than me. My wife is taller than me. Umugore wanje ni muremure kundusha. We had a good time at the party. We had a good time at the party. Twararyohewe mu rubanza. We drove all night. We drove all night. Twamaze ijoro ryose tugenda n'umuduga. The sun is beating down today. The sun is beating down today. Uruzuba uno munsi rurakubita gose. I love my mom very much. I love my mom very much. Nakunda mama wanje cyane. My favorite movie is Titanic. My favorite movie is Titanic. Sinema nkunda cyane ni Titanic. I went to bed late last night. I went to bed late last night. Nagiye kuryama ejo mwijoro ntevye. I am an English teacher. I am an English teacher. Ndumwigisha w'Icyongereza. It was hard to do, but he did it. It was hard to do, but he did it. Vyari bigoye, ariko yarabikoze. The test was easy today. The test was easy today. Ikibazo cy'uno munsi cyari cyoroshe. She got a new car. She got a new car. Afise imodoka nshasha. My favorite color is green. My favorite color is green. ibara nkunda ni iry'icyatsi kibisi. I don't eat meat. I don't eat meat. Nta nyama ndya. I am vegetarian. I am vegetarian. Ndya imboga mboga. Nobody knows tomorrow. Nobody knows tomorrow. Ntawuzi ejo hazoza. Nobody knows all. Nobody knows all. Ntawumenya byose. Everyone knows it. Everyone knows it. Bose barabizi. Everything is ready. Everything is ready. Vyose biri tayari. No one like you. No one like you. Ntawuhwanye nawe. No money, no life. No money, no life. Ata mahera nta buzima. Keep on. Keep on. Komeza. Be careful driving. Be careful driving. Uragaba uriko uratwara imodoka. Can you translate this for me in English? Can you translate this for me in English? Urashobora kunsigurira bino mu Cyongereza? Gitega is very different from Bujumbura. Gitega is very different from Bujumbura. Gitega itandukanye cyane na Bujumbura. Don't worry. Don't worry. Ntugire ikibazo. Excellent. Excellent. Vyiza cyane. He likes it very much. He likes it very much. Arabikunda cyane. She doesn't like it. She doesn't like it. Ntavyo akunda. I don't like it. I don't like it. Ntavyo nkunda. Help me. Help me. Mfasha. I am coming soon. I am coming soon. Vuba ndaza. You are right. You are right. Uri mukuri. He is very annoying. He is very annoying. Aragorana gose. As lion is very famous. As lion is very famous. As lion arazwi gose. How is work going? How is work going? Ku kazi biraza. Hurry up. Hurry up. Gira vuba. I have already eaten. I have already eaten. Namaze gufungura. I can't hear you. I can't hear you. Sindiko ndakumva. I would like to go for a walk. I would like to go for a walk. Nari nipfuza kuja gutembera. I don't know how to use it. I don't know how to use it. Sinzi uko bayikoresha. I don't like him. I don't like him. Sindamukunda. I don't like her. I don't like her. Sindamukunda. I don't speak well. I don't speak well. Simvuga neza. I don't understand. I don't understand. Sinhahuye. I don't want it. I don't want it. Ntavyo nshaka. I don't want to bother you. I don't want to bother you. Sishaka kukugora. I feel good. I feel good. Numva meze neza. If you need my help, please tell me. If you need my help, please tell me. Nimba ukeneye ko ndagufasha mbwira. I get off of work at 6. I get off of work at 6. I get off of work at 6. Mva ku kazi saa 12. I have a headache. I have a headache. Ndiko ndameneka umutwe. Have a nice trip. Have a nice trip. Ugire urugendo rwiza. I know. I know. I know. Ndabizi. I will call you when I leave. I will call you when I leave. Ndaza kugutelefona mpagurutse. I will come back later. I will come back later. Nzogaruka hanyuma. I will pay for it. I will pay for it. Nzobiriha. I will take it. I will take it. Nzobitora. I will take you home. I will take you home. Nzokujana muhira. I lost my money. I lost my money. Natakaje amahela. I love you. I love you. Ndagukunda. I am Burundian to the bone. I am Burundian to the bone. Ndi Murundi wo kwitsitso. I am cleaning my room. I am cleaning my room. Ndiko ngira isuku mu cyumba. I'm cold. I'm cold. Numva imbeho. I feel warm. I feel warm. Numva nshuhiwe. I am coming to pick you up. I am coming to pick you up. Ndaje kuguhitana. I am going to leave. I am going to leave. Ngira ngende. I am good. And you? I am good. And you? Meze neza. Nawe? I am hungry. I am hungry. Ndashonje. I am thirsty. I am thirsty. Ndanyotewe. I am asleep. I am asleep. Numvitiro. I am tired. I am tired. Ndarushe. I am ill. I am ill. Ndagwaye. I am dizzy. I am dizzy. Ndiko ndazungurirwa. I am married. I am married. Ndubatse ugwanje. I am single. I am single. Nta mukunzi mfise. I am divorced. I am divorced. Narahukanye. I am widowed. I am widowed. Narapfakaye. I am broken up. I am broken up. Naravanye n'umukunzi wanje. I am engaged. I am engaged. Nimirije kubaka ugwanje. I am busy at the moment. I am busy at the moment. Nafatiriwe muri uno mwanya. I am not busy. I am not busy. Ntabwo mfatiriwe. Are you sure? Are you sure? Uri mukuri? Yes, I am sure. Yes, I am sure. Ego ndi mukuri. I need to change my phone. I need to change my phone. Shaka guhindura telefone. I need to change clothes. I need to change clothes. Shaka guhindura impuzu. I want to go home. I want to go home. Shaka gutaha. Is Aslayan Burundian? Is Aslayan Burundian? Aslayan ni Murundi. Is that enough? Is that enough? Is that enough? Ibyo birakwiye. It's yummy. It's yummy. Biraryoshe. I have been here for 2 days. I have been here for 2 days. I have been here for 2 days. Aha ndahamaze iminsi 2. I have heard Bujumbura is a beautiful place. I have heard Bujumbura is a beautiful place. Narumvise ko Bujumbura ari heza. I have never seen that before. I have never seen that before. Sinari bwigere ndabibona. Just a little. Just a little. Hinge gato. Just a moment. Just a moment. Hinge gato. Let me check. Let me check. Let me check. Reka ndabe neza. Let me think about it. Let me think about it. Reka ndavyiyumvireko. Let's go have a look. Let's go have a look. Reka tuje kuraba. Let's practice English. Let's practice English. Reka twimenyereze Icyongereza. May I speak to Mr. Peter? May I speak to Mr. Peter? Ndashobora kuvugana na Peter? More than that. More than that. More than that. Birutivyo. Never mind. Never mind. Ntugire ikibazo. You talk nonsense. You talk nonsense. Uvuga amajambo atagira umutwe n'amaguru. Nothing else. Nothing else. Nta bindi. Not yet. Not yet. Ntiharagera. Yes, of course. Yes, of course. Ego nyene. Okay. Okay. Sawa. Please fill out this form. Please fill out this form. Please fill out this form. Mwokuzuza uru rupapuro. Please take me to this address. Please take me to this address. Murashobora kunjana kuri ino adresse? Please write it down. Please write it down. Mwoshobora kuvyandika? Right here. Right here. Ngaha. Right there. Right there. Right there. Hajya. She is pretty. She is pretty. Ni mwiza. Sorry to bother you. Sorry to bother you. Murantunga kuba ndabagoye. Stop. Stop. Rekeraho. Take it outside. Take it outside. Take it outside. Gisohore. Tell me. Tell me. Mbwira. That looks great. That looks great. Bisa neza. That's enough. That's enough. Birahagije. That's it. That's it. Nuko. That smells bad. That smells bad. That smells bad. Kiranuka. That's not fair. That's not fair. That's not fair. Ibyo si byiza. That's too many. That's too many. Ni byinshi gose. That's too much. That's too much. Birenze igipimo. The book is under the table. The book is under the table. Igitabo kiri munsi y'imeza. They are the same. They are the same. They are the same. They are the same. Nico kimwe. This doesn't work. This doesn't work. Iyi ntikora. This is very difficult. This is very difficult. Iki kiragoye. Try it. Try it. Gerageza. This is very important. This is very important. This is very important. Iki gifise akamaro kaniniya. You are beautiful. You are beautiful. Uri mwiza. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Urakoze cyane. You are very smart. You are very smart. Uraciye ubwenge gose. Your things are all here. Your things are all here. Ibintu byawe byose biri ngaho. That's all. Thanks for your attention, guys. Ndabashimiye kuba mwadukurikiranye kuva mu ntago gushika tugeze ngaha. Nongera kandi ndabasaba minsi yose mu vyigwa twaducisha ko ngaha muze mwame mwibangikanije agakaye mwongera mwandika ibyo twavyigishije komsa muzohore mugira practice muri muhira muri mwenyene. So thanks. See you.